videos, I'm going to teach you a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is an online coding program for kids. You can make games, animation, and stuff like that. Hi everybody, welcome to Coding with Saheli. Today we are going to be making our platformer game, and this is part 2. So let's get started. We do not want to press the create button because we do not want to start over. We want to go to the original project, so we have to press our profile and then go to my stuff. And then press C inside of the platformer project. And now you can see in the last video, when you press the left and right keys, the dog will move left and right. Now we're gonna make our platformer background. So go to your backdrops, and then we're going to click the rectangle button, and then by the fill there's this little triangle, upside down triangle, and then change the color to whatever you want. I want a colorful one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add first like a brown color like the mud, and we don't want any outline, and then I'm just gonna add the brown, and then I'm gonna add some green for the grass. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to save the project, and remember to always save your project. And now this is the platformer part, like where the dog is gonna be on. It will be right on the platformer. And so now let's save the project. We're gonna wanna go to the code in the background, and we're going to make the dog jump. You can either add a variable or you can do something else. So right now we're making the dog jump. So we're not going to do the variable way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to controls and do if we're just going to duplicate the key left arrow pressed code part and put it under the key left arrow pressed code, and we're gonna take away the actually we're gonna change the point and direction to 90, and we're gonna keep that part, set rotation style to left and right and point and direction, and we're gonna take away the next costume and the rest of that. And now what we're going to do is we want to change the Y by, the Y is up and down. We'll change the Y by 5. Now what will happen is when we click the up arrow, we have to do key up arrow press, not the left arrow. Yeah. So now when the up arrow is pressed, it will go up, which is what we want. Oops, it went a little bit too high. Now to fix that, you can see here, you can change the Y. Maybe we want it 100. No, that's a little trick. Yeah, so now the dog can go up to the sides and stuff like that. And now when the dog jumps, it needs to go back down because of the gravity. So we're going to do a when flag clicked. We're going to go to control and do an if then block. Go into sensing and do a if touching block, touching color. And we'll want to do the color of the background, which is white. And then we're going to want to do we're gonna wanna do change y by -1. So if it's touching the color white, then it will go down. So now what will happen is, now when we go up, it will go back down. Oh, we need to do a forever loop, so it will happen forever. Every time it touches the white thing, forever it will do that. Now it's going down because it's touching the color white, but then it's going a little too down, you can see, because we want it to stay right on top of the grass, but it's going down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate the one flag click forever if touching color white, then change y by -1. We're gonna duplicate that code, and we're gonna change the y by 1, and we're gonna change the color to green. Yeah, we wanna change the color to the color of the grass. You wanna get the exact color. And then you're gonna wanna duplicate this 6 times. And then duplicate that and put it inside of the touching color white block. Well, yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed making the platformer game part 2. Bye! Remember to subscribe for more videos and comment down below what cool things I should teach you in Scratch, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video.